Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to get this warm eye with a deep vampy lip but a very soft face. I don't know, I've been feeling the fall makeup for spring. I don't quite know why, but if you guys want to see how I got this look, then you are in the right place. Just keep watching. so that is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, hit the subscribe button down below so that way you don't miss out on any other videos. If you want to make sure you don't miss any other videos, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.